I'm Dillon, and I'm currently studying the Level 3 Applied Science course here in the college. After getting my AS results, I sort of decided that from ASs I wasn't really getting what I wanted, and the teaching that I was getting, maybe it wasn't as focused on the subjects that I wanted to learn about. So I came here for an open day and I saw that the material that we'd be learning was a lot more focused into what I wanted to do. The college has really prepared me for that next step. It's done loads of things. It's opened my eyes to a realm of possibilities when it comes to higher education. Next year I hope to go on to do either optometry, biology, and I'm also going to offer for environmental studies at Ulster University in Korean. The tutors are brilliant, to be honest with you. Whenever you step in from that first day, you really feel at home, and you feel like they treat you like a person, not just another student that they have to learn. You feel like there's a genuine connection between each and every tutor, and that they want the best outcome for you and they're always looking out for you. In comparing college to school, I would definitely say I prefer the college experience. I would 100% recommend this course. It provides you with just such a great insight to future careers, and it really lets you see, whether it be through open days or through your very own lab work, it lets you go into those labs and lets you go into other realms and really see what is it about that you're going to be learning about.